Welcome to a new video from Vanilla Lumina, and this video will show you how to keep Windows XP safe and secure in 2017. 16 years after Windows XP's release it's been, and it has been unsupported for 3 years now, except for a recent update to prevent WannaCry. And yeah, so in this video, so First things first, if you're on a real PC, this does apply if you're on a virtual machine because you can easily reinstall or anything, but, well, in any case it does. But on a real PC, you'll want to get an admin account, make an admin account, like this. Yeah, I've got a custom theme, as you can see from my first video on my channel. Let me just start the user accounts. Not loading. Wonder why. Let me try again. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's loaded. Just a bit slow. Well, yeah, you want to create a new account. Just call it admin, or I'll call it root because I'm a Linux fan. Make that the administrator. Put a password on it. Let's see. Good password. Oh, I've got to type that in right. So yep, that's the main administrator password protected, and then you want to change the account type to limited, your account, so that means that viruses can't really get in unless you're using the administrator account, because Windows XP doesn't have UAC. Next thing you want to do, ditch Internet Explorer completely. No matter what version it is you've got on here, just bloody ditch it. Get Opera Browser instead. Go away activation. Get Opera Browser instead. Don't get Firefox either, because they're dropping support for that in summer. Opera is based on Chromium, and although Chromium's been unsupported since version 49, Opera is actually keeping it up with security updates. Next thing you got to do is use an antivirus, of course. Even if you think you're safe and you can browse responsibly, I would recommend getting an antivirus anyway. Avast is apparently supporting until the end of 2017 or maybe longer, so I would recommend getting with them. And yeah, so the next thing on my list is to run an update check. That can be done with this command here, wuauct or whatever, wuauct/detect now will force an update scan. This is very useful if you've got a computer that hasn't been updated since end support, or, well, and you've got to get that update for WannaCry as well that's been released recently. And basically that scans for updates automatically, and then yeah. So if you've got an old computer that hasn't been updated since then, you'll want to do that. Things that you might want to do as well is to not use Outlook Express. Instead, get a different mail client and use the webmail version of a website such as Gmail, because Outlook Express uses Internet Explorer 6 code and such. Another thing is, don't use Flash or Java, because Flash and Java, they've been out of support for. Flash is only been recently out of support for a while, but it's actually very security thingy, very bad for security, and a lot of sites are moving to HTML5 anyway, so you'd need a modern browser to use them. Java has also been unsupported for quite a while now on Windows XP and Vista machines. It has been unsupported since around version 8, U61, and basically, unless you really need it, you don't want to use it. Another thing, with Windows Live, there was this thing called Windows Live Essentials, which was like your Messenger, your Mail, your Windows Live Mail, which was your replacement for Outlook Express and Windows Mail. your photo gallery, your movie maker, all that crap. You want to remove that as well, especially the messenger section, because one, half of it doesn't even work anymore, and two, the other thing is messenger. It's probably got some big exploit somewhere. You don't want to use that. Another thing is safe browsing. You want to browse responsibly. Don't click on anything that you don't see, that you don't think is thingy, and yeah, just don't click on all that. And also try to what's my other thing? Also with media player, I would also recommend getting VLC media player instead of Windows media player, because Windows Media Player has also been known to have a few exploits and be insecure as well, especially in the media guide section, which is powered by the Internet Explorer rendering engine. And yeah, so that is it for my tips, and I hope you have a good day. Oh yeah, I forgot one last thing. If you're looking to have a one-time scanner, you want to use Malwarebytes, and yeah, don't use the same password on sites. Don't. That's another thing. You've got to keep your internet secure as well, because of them HTTP sites like my own. And yeah, that is it. This is sort of a vlog, but with a Windows XP background, sort of. But I don't really care. It's still important and it's still related to computers. So yeah, I'll see you around. Have a good day and goodbye.